The Very Wiggly Tooth. Written by Reshma Thapa Gurung. Illustrated by Canato Jimo. Published by Pratham books. I have a wiggly tooth, Mama. This is Bunu's first loose tooth. She is excited, but also a little scared. Push it with your tongue, Mama says. Bunu pushed and pushed and pushed. It is not ready, Mama says. Wait for some time and it will fall out on its own. Bunu goes to Papa. Papa, Bunu says, I have a wiggly tooth. Papa shakes the tooth gently. It is not ready, he says. Wait for some time and it will fall out on its own. But Bunu does not want to wait. She runs to her room with a long piece of string. She ties one end of the string around her tooth and the other around the doorknob. Bunu sits on the floor and waits and waits and waits. Finally, Bunu gets tired of waiting and waiting and waiting. She unties the string from the door and sits on her bed with a loud sigh. Chunnu, her sister, walks in after some time. That was a terrible idea, she says, pointing at the door. Why don't I pull the string and your tooth will come out like that? Chunnu snapped her fingers. Bunu closes her eyes and opens her mouth. 1, 2, 3. Chunnu pulls. Ow! Bunu screams. It is not ready, Chunnu says. Wait for some time and it will fall out on its own. This tooth will never come out, Bunu says. When we were small, we would throw our teeth on the roof and ask Musa to give us his in return, says Mama, because we wanted teeth as strong as a mouse's. Bunu runs out and cries, Musa, Musa, here is my big strong tooth for you. If you like it, please come and take it away. That night, Bunu dreams of a big mouse. Musa is holding something gleaming between his teeth. He stops and stares at her, then scurries away into a hole. As soon as Bunu wakes up, she pushes the tooth with her tongue. But there is nothing there. Did she swallow it? Did someone pull it out when she was sleeping? Where is it? There it is, right next to the pillow. Bunu picks the tooth up and dashes outside. Musa, Musa, please take my tooth and give me a new one, she says. She throws her tooth on the roof and runs back inside to tell Mama.